Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Elements provide you with automatic tools that adjust your image's color, contrast, and clarity in one simple command. These are very easy to use and easy to find as they all appear underneath the Enhance command within the menu bar. While the auto fixes are easy to use, sometimes they don't give you the same results you can achieve with manual fixes. Remember that you can always try one of the autofix commands, and if you don't like it, you can simply undo the changes. To use any of the commands, select Enhance from the menu bar, and then simply click the autofix tool that you want to use. It is best to use just one of the autofix commands in an image, as using more than one can sometimes produce unwanted results. The Auto Smart Fix command automatically fixes color balance, lighting, and contrast. This is a good catch-all command to execute on photos. The Auto Smart Tone command opens a dialog box that lets you set the tone value of an image by clicking and dragging a controller towards the four corners of the dialog box to set the desired tone. When finished, click the OK button to apply the change. The Auto Levels command automatically changes the overall contrast for images that need minor adjustments. The Auto Contrast command also automatically adjusts the overall contrast for images while retaining the color balance of the image. The Auto Haze Removal command automatically removes haze and fog from an image. The Auto Color Correction command automatically removes a color cast to balance the color in an image. The Auto Shake Reduction command automatically removes blur from a shaky image. The Auto Sharpen command automatically improves focus in an image. Finally, the Auto Red Eye Fix command automatically removes red eye from an image.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.